guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel. Sa gabing ito, magluluto tayo ng tortang Bisaya. Hindi na yung with a twist. Ito nga kasi yung last time niluto ko is with the sinasubstitute ko yung milk with the sour cream. So to that, at saka wina-water bath ko yung una. So ngayon, hindi natin iwa-water bath, tsaka hindi tayo magsa-substitute. Kaya, let's cook now. Oh, let's bake the eye. Okay guys, let's bake. So guys, this is our ingredients. We have 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 3 eggs, 1/2 cup of margarine, 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, 2 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon salt, 3/4 cup of milk, and we have here oil for brushing, and we need this also like this, and the paper like this. So only that guys that we need for baking. So we'll start now the procedure. So guys, by this time you need to preheat your oven. Bake 350 Fahrenheit, so convert to Celsius, it's 180 degrees Celsius. So we will preheat that one. So what we need guys, this first the flour, we mix together the salt, the baking soda, then the baking powder. We mix that one. Okay, we will mix, and then we will set aside this one. Okay, we will set aside. And here guys, I forgot to tell you, I forgot the sugar. So we need 1 cup of sugar. We put in this separate bowl. We put also the oil, the 1/4 cup oil, and our margarine. Our margarine in there. Actually, margarine or butter, you can substitute that one. In my previous recipe, I put some butter. If you use butter, the smell is good. There's a nice smell of the cake, but since margarine is cheaper, so it's correct to use margarine. Okay, and then we will beat this one guys. We will mix that one. So guys, we will beat now this mixture, oil, sugar, margarine mixture. We will beat now. And then guys, this time we will add the egg one by one. Yeah, we will add first one egg and then we will beat, and then the next another egg. And then we will add another egg. Oops. Oh. Yes, this egg. Okay. And then another egg. So by this time guys, we will mix alternately our flour and our milk. We will mix that alternately. So guys, once we mix alternately, we just stir that. We mix alternately. So that's the butter look like. When you mix alternately, it's the technique for to do this Tortang Bisaya or pound cake in English. It's look like pound cake. I think it's really pound cake in English. So we're done already mixing that. It's really important guys to mix alternately, and you do it manually with the spatula or the whisk, or else you will not arrive with this kind of consistency. Okay, and now we will don't forget, you brush your molder with your oil, and then we will put the paper. You know, the paper, colored paper for the fiesta, because in Philippines we cook this mostly during fiesta, a lots of batch, because when the visitor came, you will give to your visitor for the fiesta. It's like a family tradition, friend tradition, like that. It's our traditional, this part of our culture, this Tortang Bisaya. So that's it, guys. We will I don't have an ice cream scooper, so I will use 2 spoons. We will just scoop like that, and then until all we finish. Actually, this recipe is good for 12 molder. Now I will do 12. Okay, and we will complete. So guys, we have now 12 mold of torta. So what I have here, because our oven is not conventional, I put here, not like the other one. The first one I did is only 12 molders, so it's correct to put in that pan. But this time I have 12, so I do it like that, guys, because I'm afraid I will burn the torta. That's why I am like putting a space. So yeah, do it like that. And how I space it like the last time. It was like that. And the one over there. Okay, something here. And like that. Okay, so like that, it will be going there inside in our oven, guys. So by this time you need to be very careful, because the oven is also very hot. Okay, I think like that. And yes, so there you go. There guys. So guys, our cake is already inside the oven, and we will bake that one around 25 minutes, I will check if it's golden brown already, and we insert a toothpick if it will come out clean, and then it's ready. Okay, so we will wait. So my friend, our cake is we will check now our cake. And it's look like clean, and as you can see, all is golden brown, very beautiful, right? Wow. And this time you need to be very careful, because the oven is very hot. Yeah, so that's our cake. We will let it cold there. Oh my god. Yeah, we will let it cold and like 15 minutes, and then we will remove the paper, so that you can see what's the color there. It's really big different when you do water bath and not water bath. Okay, so we'll come back for that. My friend is. So now, my friend, we will remove the paper of that our torta. So now, my friend, we will remove the paper of our torta, so that you can see. Check, it's brown. It's really big different with the one you will do a water bath. So another one here. Yeah. Yeah. Oh my god, it's very lovely. And then I will break so that you can see. So that's the interior of our torta. It's spongy. It's very spongy, my friend. Our torta. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.